Hey guys, Caesar with Chatham Mortgage Partners here, talking to you guys about a home renovation loan for people that are buying properties that need home renovations, but they probably don't have enough money aside from the down payment to be able to do those additions or to help upgrade the property. Specifically, this program is also helping people who are trying to get what's called an ADU, an accessory dwelling, right? For people that are trying to convert the garage with permits, this can actually be factored into the loan. So for any of you guys who have questions, just shoot me an email or DM me. So let's go over the basics. So technically, all you have to come in with is 3% down for this program. Minimum FICO is 620, so that's an amazing thing. People also ask me about the 203K loan that has to do with FHA. It's also a renovation loan for people that are trying to do the same thing, but the difference is you can't add an ADU if it's detached for the 203K, and with this program you can. And technically you could finance the total cost of the renovations into the loan, and then later on they get an appraisal to the value to get comparable values of what it's worth, so that way you can factor that in. So shoot me an email, shoot me a text. Love to be able to get scenarios and talk to you guys more about this program. Thank you so much. Bye.